Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on the Chief Justice of India and their role within the Indian judiciary system. Let's look into the key aspects of this position, focusing on the appointment process, qualifications, roles and responsibilities, the collegium system and the removal process. Firstly, the President appoints the Chief Justice of India according to Article 124(2) of the Constitution. However, this appointment is not unilateral. There is a convention where the outgoing Chief Justice of India typically recommends their successor, who is usually the senior-most judge in the Supreme Court. This convention was affirmed in the Second Judges Case 1993. To be eligible for the position of the Chief Justice of India, one must be a citizen of India. Additionally, they should have served as a judge in a high court for at least 5 years or 2 or more high courts in succession. Alternatively, they could have been an advocate in a high court or 2 or more high courts in succession for 10 years. Finally, the President can appoint someone as the Chief Justice of India if they are considered a distinguished jurist. The Chief Justice of India fulfills two major roles, adjudicatory and administrative roles. In their adjudicatory role, they lead the Supreme Court in interpreting the Constitution, protecting fundamental rights and resolving legal disputes. They also preside over important cases and deliver judgments. In their administrative role, the Chief Justice of India manages the Supreme Court's administrative functions, including overseeing the court registry, assigning cases to different benches and forming constitutional benches to address complex issues. They also play a pivotal role in recommending judges for appointment to the Supreme Court and High Courts, leading the collegium system. Speaking of which, the collegium system comprises the Chief Justice of India and 4 other senior-most judges of the Supreme Court. This collegium is responsible for recommending the appointment and transfer of judges to the Supreme Court and High Courts. While the government can voice objections, it cannot unilaterally reject the collegium's recommendations. This system is crucial for maintaining the judiciary's independence. Lastly, the process for removing the Chief Justice of India is stringent and involves both houses of Parliament passing an address supported by a special majority. Grounds for removal can include proven misbehavior or incapacity. As of today, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud serves as the 50th Chief Justice of India, assuming office on November 9, 2022. Continuing our discussion on the Chief Justice of India, let's now look into the challenges faced by the Chief Justice of India in their role and the strategies they can employ to address these challenges. First one is ensuring judicial independence. One of the primary challenges for the Chief Justice of India is maintaining the judiciary's independence. The collegium system, while aimed at preserving this independence, can face pressures from the executive branch. This can lead to concerns about political interference in judicial appointments. Additionally, public perception plays a crucial role, and any actions perceived as overstepping judicial boundaries can erode trust in the judiciary. The staggering backlog of cases in Indian courts poses a significant challenge. This backlog results in delayed justice and strains the judicial system. The Chief Justice of India must focus on streamlining court procedures, improving infrastructure, and increasing the number of judges to expedite case resolution. The collegium system, while designed to ensure merit-based appointments, has faced criticism for its lack of transparency and accountability. Additionally, vacancies in the judiciary exacerbate the problem. The Chief Justice of India must work towards a more efficient appointment process and address concerns about nepotism or favoritism. Other challenges include the culture of frequent adjournments in courts, which prolongs trials, and the need to provide a level playing field for all lawyers, especially those from disadvantaged backgrounds. To tackle these challenges effectively, the Chief Justice of India can take several proactive steps. That includes uphold judicial integrity and advocate for judicial independence to prevent external influences. Advocate for increased funding and resources for the judiciary to improve infrastructure and reduce case backlog. He can collaborate with stakeholders including the government and bar associations to implement reforms that enhance transparency and efficiency in the judicial system. He can implement measures to discourage adjournments and promote timely resolution of cases. Champion initiatives that promote inclusivity and equal opportunities for lawyers from diverse backgrounds. By addressing these challenges head-on and implementing strategic reforms, the Chief Justice of India can contribute significantly to a more efficient, transparent, and inclusive judiciary that upholds the rule of law and delivers justice effectively for all its citizens. Continuing our exploration of the Chief Justice of India's role, let's now turn our attention to some landmark judgments delivered by the Supreme Court of India. These judgments had a profound impact on Indian society and legal discourse. First one is the Right to Privacy 2017. Under Chief Justice J.S. Khehar, the Supreme Court declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. This landmark judgment recognized and protected individual rights from unwarranted privacy intrusions, setting a crucial precedent for privacy laws and digital rights. Second one is Right to Die with Dignity in 2018. Led by Chief Justice Deepak Mishra, the Supreme Court ruled that the right to live with dignity encompasses the right to die with dignity. This judgment allowed individuals or their families to make decisions regarding withdrawing life support in certain circumstances, highlighting the importance of autonomy and dignity in end-of-life care. Third one, Menaka Gandhi vs. Union of India, 1978. Under Chief Justice H.R. Khanna, the Supreme Court delivered a landmark judgment in the case of Menaka Gandhi vs. Union of India. This case established that the right to travel abroad is inherent in the right to personal liberty guaranteed by the Constitution. It also emphasized that any laws restricting this right must be reasonable and fair, ensuring protection for citizens' fundamental freedoms. Shaira Bano vs. Union of India 2017. Chief Justice Deepak Mishra's tenure also saw a significant judgment in the case of Shaira Banu vs. Union of India. The Supreme Court declared the practice of triple talaq, instant divorce in Islamic marriages, as unconstitutional. This ruling was a significant step towards safeguarding women's rights within Muslim communities and promoting gender equality. These landmark judgments underscores the Supreme Court's pivotal role in interpreting and upholding constitutional principles, protecting individual rights, and promoting social justice in India. They serve as pillars of our legal system, guiding principles for future judgments and contributing to the evolution of India's jurisprudence. In conclusion, today's video has provided a comprehensive understanding of the Chief Justice of India's role within the Indian judiciary system. We discussed the Chief Justice of India's appointment process, qualifications, roles, responsibilities, the collegiate system, and the challenges they face. We also explored some landmark judgments delivered by the Supreme Court of India, highlighting the judiciary's pivotal role in safeguarding fundamental rights, promoting social justice, and interpreting the Constitution. As we wrap up, it's essential to recap the key takeaways. The Chief Justice of India plays a crucial role in leading the Supreme Court judicially and administratively, ensuring judicial independence and addressing challenges such as case backlog and judicial appointments. Landmark judgments like recognizing the right to privacy, affirming the right to die with dignity, and protecting women's rights in triple talaq cases showcase the judiciary's commitment to upholding constitutional values and promoting individual liberties. The Supreme Court's decisions not only shape legal precedents but also contribute significantly to societal progress and the evolution of India's legal framework. In essence, the Chief Justice of India, along with the Supreme Court, stands as a beacon of justice, ensuring fairness, equality, and the rule of law in our nation.